Hi everyone, thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw an American flag. The colors we'll need is a blue, a red, a yellow, and a gray. Well, I'm really excited. Let's go try to draw it and see what we can come up with.
We're going to start by drawing a small circle on the left side of the page. Then we're going to draw two straight parallel lines down from that. This will be the flagpole. Then we're going to draw a curved line starting from the circle towards the bottom of the flagpole. Now for the top of the flag, we're going to make a line that curves just a little bit. Then we're going to do the same thing for the bottom, and then we're going to connect the two with a line. Next, we're going to make a square in the top right-hand corner of the flag. Next, we're going to draw 12 lines going across the flag. Now we're going to draw the stars. There's supposed to be 50 of them, but we just drew as many as we could fit inside of the square. This is how to draw the United States flag. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color in your flag with us.